Hello everyone, my name is Ida and welcome to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. I am your crypto teacher. I bring you new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you haven't already, please turn on your subscribe button. Also, please turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I put out new videos. You do have to have the YouTube app in order for you to see the notification bell. Many of you already own crypto, and a lot of people always ask me, how can they buy crypto by using the crypto that they already have? So today I'm going to be giving you step-by-step instructions on how to use Bitcoin to buy a crypto that I own and I like called XYO. XYO is an oracle, and you can typically use Bitcoin to purchase or convert to any other crypto. You can't do it with every crypto, but you can do it with most. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so like I said, today I'm going to show you how to trade one crypto using Bitcoin to XYO. The first thing you need to do, you must have the Coinbase app on your device, or go to coinbase.com and log in. Once you get there, go ahead and go to the trade tab. So on the trade tab, go ahead and tap on Bitcoin, because I'm going to be using Bitcoin to convert to another crypto. After that, remember I told you that you have a wallet. Every crypto has its own wallet. If you haven't watched my Crypto for Beginners video, please go back and watch that, and I talk about crypto wallets. So go ahead and tap on trade, and you can see in my Bitcoin wallet, I have $136.75. Once you do that, this screen appears and you're going to click on convert BTC to another crypto. From here, you see the amount available, $136, and then it's going from BTC to XYO. Now, if you tap that button right there, it will open up an entire menu of cryptos that you can convert Bitcoin to. So you can do that depending on what other crypto that you're trying to convert. Once you do that, I'm going to convert $100 of my Bitcoin to XYO. So I go ahead and enter in $100 and I click on Preview Convert. Once I do that, you can see that $100 of Bitcoin purchased 2,903.084 XYO coins. Yes, so there we go. So those are the number of new tokens I'm going to receive. Go ahead and review your order. If everything looks right, you can always hit the back key if you want to change the amount. If you're good to go, you go ahead and click on Convert Now. Once you click Convert Now, you're all done. You're going to get a confirmation, and you can see I converted 0.002109 Bitcoin, which was $100 at that time, and it was able to purchase 2,901 XYO coins. Remember I told you when you're doing these conversions and purchasing and buying crypto, it's in real time and the price can fluctuate. So you may get a little bit more or a little bit less than what you originally start out with. Also, check your email for the confirmation. Coinbase will send you a confirmation of your particular trade. Remember, with any kind of an email, never enter in any information. Just view the information that's being sent to you via email. That's it. Now you've converted one crypto, Bitcoin, to XYO, another crypto. Take care and good luck with your crypto journey.